Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Today we finally will take a look at the euro currency. Although, guys, to be honest, it's maybe it makes sense to wait a bit more, since currently we still haven't got the culmination of our analysis. Particularly speaking, we still haven't got yet the reversal pattern on the intraday charts. But it seems that market stands somewhere very close to appearing of this pattern, and maybe we even will get the hint what the pattern it will be today in the evening. So the major idea of our analysis is that yes, euro has shown a reversal month on the monthly chart that hints on the possible downward continuation. Currently, it's really very difficult to estimate the final destination point, so it could be just the 108 retracement as usual it was in the last year, or it will be a real reversal and market just will capitulate on the upside chances and just will drop low and take the road, take the way onto the parity. Currently, it's very difficult to say. The fact that market will drop lower, it's very high probability to that, since reversal swings almost never just ends by just the single candle. So if market has formed reversal candle, it's almost never just turn to upside and continue move to the upside. Usually reversal candle has the continuation, and since we have the reversal candle on the monthly chart, so you could imagine what kind of the continuation we could get on the daily chart. So definitely some drop for the 3, maybe 4 points more could happen. So 108 there is really possible. But this is a bit extended view. In the short-term perspective, we still expect to get some upside retracement. Why? By two reasons. First of all, because currently market stands at very strong support. This is confidence support in the daily chart, 1125, 1190. So it's a bit wide, but this is the confidence support. Market right now has hit the bottom of this support. Also, this is an area of the yearly pivot point. This market has tested already once in March, broken to the upside, retest, trying to continue move higher, but hasn't quite reached the yearly pivot resistance one and drop right back down. So this yearly pivot point again will work as the support. And finally, mostly because market has formed a reversal swing on the daily chart. So you can see this is last swing up, this is new swing down. So you can see that swing down is greater than swing up. Usually, in the most cases, when the market forms a reversal swing, it shows some kind of the ABCD retracement up. This retracement probably will be extended, as since 50% is a favorite level for euro currency. So approximately the middle of this range is somewhere around, again, this consolidation, that in this case will be probably work as a resistance, approximately 114 area. It means that we can't exclude that after market will hit this support, we could get some kind of the 114 retracement, maybe in shape of the ABCD pattern. So that is the short-term expectation. Right now, guys, as you can see, we stand very close to the moment where we should get the pattern that should trigger this upside retracement, but we haven't got it yet. So maybe today we will get the hint what pattern it will be, because today, guys, will be the day revision for the gross domestic product for the first quarter. And now analysis mostly expect that this revision will be to the upside. Another event today is that Ms. Yellen will talk in the university on the perspective of the United States economy, and as analysts also expect she could give the hint on the possible rate decision. So it could shed some light on this question. So if she will do this, it's probably also could impact on the market. The speech will start in the 15 minutes past 5 by their United Kingdom time. So this will be in the evening, closer to the end of the session. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, what we have here is a minor bounce that has happened here, but this is not the real reversal, guys, because as you can see, the action is very gradual. It has no signs of thrust. It mostly reminds the same action that we see here and saw previously. This is not the thrusting action, so that's why it's just minor bounce, maybe reaction on the hitting of the bottom of confluence support, on the reaching of the weekly pivot support 1. So minor retracement has happened. The market right now is turning back again. So also it wasn't able to pass through this minor resistance. Previously was support, market broken with resistance, now it's turning down again. But here, guys, we see and we have already bullish divergence in place. It's the first sign that probably some reversal pattern could be formed here. We expect that probably market could reach as far as 111 even area, because take a look this here. We have first of all 127 extension of this most recent swing up. When you do not have the clear ABCDs that could point to destination, you could use the extensions of the previous swings, as we do here. So 127 stands precisely at 111. And also we have minor 127 extension of this most recent swing. So it tells that here we could get some kind of the butterfly maybe as a reversal pattern could be formed here on the 4-hour time frame chart. As you understand, since most analysts expect that the gross domestic product will be revised to the upside, it could trigger the short-term fast dollar appreciation in the end of the session, and that could help market to drop right to the 111. So that's one of the ideas that we have here. On the hourly chart, guys, although market making an attempt to break the harmonic sequence of the swings, so previously, as you can see, it was kept by the market very nice. So as upward swings and downward stands almost the same distance. Maybe the slope, the speed of the swings a bit different, but the distance of the swings mostly the same. But here, you take a look, market has turned up slightly slightly earlier. It's pre-term reversal. Due to the reasons that we have just talked about on the 4-hour time frame chart. That's why, and you can see that the final point of this swing stands approximately again at 111. So if market will form here some reversal pattern, maybe butterfly, it also will help to finalize, to close this final leg to the point of this harmonic swing as well. So let's see what we will get. But probably today we at least should get some idea what pattern could be formed here that could trigger this upward retracement on the euro currency. On the Great British Pound, guys, the analysis that we have discussed, that we have prepared yesterday, mostly was confirmed. So if you take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, we said here that probably some retracement should happen through the first level of support 146.26. You can see this really has happened. So market has dropped and almost has hit this area. Now it stands in this consolidation. Maybe also some pattern will be formed. Market still could reach this support area. But anyway, in the short-term perspective, on the next week, we expect to see that Great British Pound probably will return back to the upward direction. It's mostly behavior that market shows mostly looks bullish. So that being said, let's see what we will get on the gross domestic product release revision, what we will get on the Yellen speech, how market will complete the situation, and first of all, major point to watch for is what pattern we will get here.